Yo, what's going on, guys? So for you guys new to the channel, a lot of you are probably wondering, like, who is this guy? Well, truth is, I'm your local mobile mechanic. And a lot of my videos you're watching is most of the time behind the scenes of what I do for fun. There's one big obsession I have. And as you guys can see, it's Milwaukee tools. Love those tools. And maybe you guys aren't tool guys or car guys or bike guys, because, you know, I'm a little bit of everything. I like tools, I like bikes, I like cars, side-by-sides, ATVs, dirt bikes, you name it, I like it. I like doing a bunch of different things. I love camping. I do a little bit of everything. Concrete floors, greenhouse builds, you name it, I can do it. Plumbing, electrical, I can do it all. Air conditioning, I can do it all. And one of my favorite parts about doing all these different things is the new tools I get to buy. And like I said, I get them from Milwaukee. I used to buy a lot of Snap-on tools and Harbor Freight tools. You can't hate on those tools, but I love the red and black. It's my favorite colors. So for a lot of the jobs I do, I buy something new. So probably a lot of you guys are wondering, how come I don't post more with cars? And you will see things like that, but I love posting other things. You know, I like to keep it spicy. I like to keep it different. So as of, you know, I'm working on this. This is basically behind the scenes of a mobile mechanic. Like, what is this for? This is my mobile garage. And yes, we got 2 big pieces of machines coming tomorrow. So I'm trying to get this thing ready to be installed. I do have to be out of here in a little bit because I do have to do my job, a mobile mechanic job. So today around 3 o'clock, I got to go check out a truck, leaking an oil pan. You know what? Maybe I'll bring you guys along and show you basically what I do. And most of the videos you guys watch is like behind the scenes of my life as, you know, regular person. But my career is Dude's Garage, a mobile mechanic. So I got to put a few coats of white paint. You know, I'm going to add a little red to it. For the Milwaukee, I am a Milwaukee fan. So again, you know, don't forget to subscribe, because I do a lot of different things. If you're not into cars, that's okay. Maybe you're into chickens. I love chickens. Maybe you're into gardening. We just built a greenhouse. What do you think's gonna happen in there? Maybe you're just into tools. And we do a lot of tools on this channel. I use Milwaukee tools on my daily life. We use it for everything. You've seen it on the back of here, Milwaukee cooler. You've seen me camping with Milwaukee tools. And you've guys seen me use Milwaukee tools to do the add-ons on this side-by-side. And, of course, I've also built all this with Milwaukee tools. And like I said, again, maybe you're not into cars. Maybe you're into chickens. I don't know, maybe you're into camping. We do that too. Sports, snowboarding, bike riding, we do it all. if you're into those kind of things, subscribe. Follow my page.
I love you like la 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 la.